Before we begin, like, share and subscribe for more credible news. Property owners in BDA-notified areas could get major relief after the Karnataka Assembly passed an amendment reducing regularization fees by up to 50%. The Bangalore Development Authority Amendment Bill 2026 was among three bills cleared by the Assembly on August 20th. The other two were amendments to the Nadaprabhu Kempegowda Heritage Area Development Authority Act and the Karnataka Town and Country Planning Act. Greater Bengaluru Development Minister Krishna Byre Gowda said the BDA amendment would help residents obtain proper documentation and ownership rights for properties built on acquired BDA land. Around 1,11,560 unauthorized houses have come up on such land, he said. The revised charges are significantly lower. For 20 by 30 feet sites, the fee will drop from 10% to 5% of the guidance value. For sites above 20 by 30 feet and up to 30 by 40 feet, it will fall from 25% to 12.5%. For 30 by 40 feet to 40 by 60 feet sites, it will drop from 40% to 20%. For sites above 40 by 60 feet and up to 50 by 80 feet, the fee will be reduced from 50% to 25%. The amendment also allows the BDA Commissioner to approve works costing up to 5 crore rupees. The Town and Country Planning Amendment fixes the annual release by the Planning Authority at 3% of the plot's guidance value until development works are completed. The Kempegowda Heritage Authority Amendment provides for the Revenue Minister or Deputy Chief Minister to serve as Vice Chairperson. Ministers handling Bengaluru Urban, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru South will become members. The three bills were passed amid BJP and JDS protests, with the opposition demanding Minister N. Nagendra's resignation over corruption allegations.